Guys, it's your girl Deja, aka Melanin Marie, and I'm just doing a review today on this wig I got from Amazon. I love the hair, honestly. I'm gonna just start by saying that right now. But if you want to watch me install it and style it, keep watching. Yeah, it's been a minute. I forgot how to do this shit, but. So to start everything off, I'm going to be taking the Got2b Glued spray, and that's just to push all my hair back and make sure that I'm not getting any of the actual hair glue that I'm about to put on my natural hair, and to get my hair out of the way for the wig, of course. So now I'm just taking rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to be going around the skin around my hairline, not on my hairline, but around my hairline. And just drying it out so that the glue will apply itself directly to the skin. And I'm using the Ghost Bond today that I got from Amazon too. So taking the Ghost Bond, I'm gonna go in the middle because that's where the closure is gonna lay. I'm putting some on the sides too, just to make the wig lay in other places as well. But regardless of what you do, make sure you do not put that on your natural hair. I used to do that, and that's why my edges are gone. Anyways, after that, you just want to slick it down. We'll smooth it down with like a plastic applicator or whatever. And then I spray it again with the Got2b Glued because I feel like it just helps it all really like dry easier, and it made it really tacky and sticky, which was perfect. I did this same method 3 times, and that's what got me the best results. Ghost Bond is not as good as Bold Hold. I will say that right now. I'm sorry. So you have to use the Ghost Bond a few times for it to lay properly. So the wig does have combs. That's kind of what's keeping it in the little area that it's in right now. But I just brushed all the hair back so we're not getting any hair stuck in the glue. And I just put the hair in a ponytail. And now we're gonna lay that thing. So as I'm going through and laying the wig, I am feeling at this time that this is really latching onto the glue perfectly. I've never seen a closure wig where the sides are so flat and not like big, wiggy, and bulky. I don't know what that material was on the wig, but it laid so flat and so nice. And when I tell you that this wig just like vacuumed itself onto my head, I'm literally in shock a little bit in the video. I'm taking that Got2b Glued spray just one more time just to get some more coverage, I guess, in the front. Just extra positive reinforcement. You don't really need it, but I just felt like it was gonna help me when I'm cutting the lace. I took my foundation brush and just blurred out the line of the wig in my forehead just to make it look more natural. I feel like it looked way better after that. So this is a wig with the comb in the back, like most of them, and the back of the wig actually looks really natural without having to do much. I don't know, I just thought that was really cool. It looks so good. So the style I decided to do, I just want to do basically a swoop bang, and I'm going to be doing the little hair flip from the 90s. I think that's so cute. So I'm just sectioning the hair basically, and I'm literally just straightening it, and then when you get to like an inch from the bottom, you just literally flip your, what the fuck is it called? Flat iron? Yeah. You flip your straightener or your flat iron up in like a curling direction, like you want to give it a like a flip, like a swoop. I don't know how to explain it. Please just watch me and learn. There was a lot of trial and error. There's going to be times when you're doing it and it doesn't come out right. You're going to see me do it a few times here, and I just keep trying to do it until it comes out how I want it to. Now that we're getting closer to the front of the hair, I'm just going to be sectioning off the little part that I want to use for the swoop bang, and then I'm just going to continue to go through and flip the rest. So even for this part, I'm going to still be straightening it and flipping it up. I'm just trying to get it as flat as possible so the swoop will lay properly. And as I'm parting the hair, I'm noticing the lace looks so good. Like, this is I bleached the knots, and I know that's why it looks extra good, but like I'm literally parting it and it just looks like it could be worn like that. Like, you don't really need to pluck it or anything. I don't know. I'm just like really admiring the lace. Finally done with the straightening part. I'm just gonna be putting all the hairs in their place where they're supposed to be, and then I'm gonna attempt this swoop bang. Now, it did take me a few times to get it how I wanted it to be, but I feel like any hairstyle you do, it's gonna be trial and error, and you just have to find what looks right in your head. So I mean, I did take a couple times, but it came out nice in the end, so just keep watching.
Zanny, where the bars at?
Okay, so this is the final look that I was trying so hard to get. Okay, it didn't come out exactly how I wanted to, but I really still like it. This hair, first of all, the lace, all I did was just bleach it. Like I said earlier, I just bleached the lace. I didn't even pluck it, like, at all. I tried to pluck it and I was just like, it just looks so natural. Like, if anything, I would probably put some more concealer there or something, but I like the look I'm getting right now. Okay, it looks cute. So this hair is super duper duper soft. It is so soft. Like, I feel like this hair is gonna last a minute. I only paid like $68 plus some tax, I think, and I got it in 12 inches because I wanted to wear it like this. Like, I've been looking for this style for a long time. Not for a long time, but I was just like, ooh, Christmas, New Year's, like, I just want to do something different, because I dyed my real hair red, and honestly, I'm feeling this black so much, so much. But this hair is really, really soft. The lace bleached nicely. The knots are bleached. I kept it on there for a little while. Like, when I bleached it, I kept the bleach on there for like, I want to say like 45 minutes. But it bleached really, really nicely to the fact that like I said, I don't even feel like I need to pluck it at all. I might, if I start to feel like if I part it in another way and I start to feel like the part is thick or something, I might pluck it just a little bit, but I really feel like I don't even need to. There's like one little part right there that's bothering me. Where the hell did my loose go? But I really like how the style came out. This is just how I'm gonna wear it today for Christmas and stuff. I think I'm gonna do another style, but I don't know. But I really, really, really like it. The hair is super soft. Now, it did shed when I was combing through it. Not like anything crazy. Like, there's no hair on my shirt or anything. I didn't feel like it was just hair like coming out. If it was like from 1 to 10 how much it sheds, I would say like a 4, which is pretty much normal. Even when I comb my real hair, I'm just like, am I going bald? Like, for real. But anyways, I like this hair. Like, I would buy from this company again for sure. It came in like a nice little green package and everything, and it came with a wig cap that has holes in it for some reason. I don't really know. And I didn't put any foundation on this either. Like, it's weird. I usually would and do a wig cap, but since it was a closure, I was just like, well, let's just try to put it on real quick and see what happens. And I think it actually came out like very natural looking. When I put it on, y'all, it like laid. Like, it was just like that's why I was feeling myself for a second there, because it like laid, it like latched onto my head. Like, it feels so secure right now. Like, I would fight right now with this on. I'm just playing, but like, I'm just saying it's on there, you know. I've never done this style before. I really like it. But yes, and my makeup, I did that before because I wasn't trying to come on camera no more looking crazy. So I would buy this hair if you just want like a cute, they have longer hair too, but I was just like, let me get something cute and short real quick. I'll put the link on the description too for Amazon where I got it from. People be sleep on Amazon wigs. Like, people hit me up like, where should I buy a wig from, blah blah. Amazon, as long as it has reviews and like reviews with pictures. Sometimes they're fake. Like, obviously the picture on there, like, sometimes I feel like the picture is definitely not the wig itself. They found another wig that got done professionally by someone else and their wig is different, but they're saying this is what it has the opportunity, the possibility of looking like, which is kind of catfish, but it is what you make it to some extent too. Anyways, I'm gonna put the link below. I'm definitely gonna take some pictures and put my own review on Amazon. If you guys like this video, please like it, share, subscribe, everything. Thank you so much. I'm wearing my Marvel shirt because it's the 21st, you feel me? I'm waiting for my powers to kick in. All right, well, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.